Filtering contacts in HubSpot helps you organize and segment your contact database for targeted marketing, sales outreach, and reporting. Here's how to filter contacts. Go to your contacts, log into your HubSpot account, navigate to contacts from the top menu to view all your contacts. Use the filter panel. On the contacts page, you will see a filter button at the top of the list. Click on it to open the filter options. HubSpot provides a range of preset filters like life cycle stage, contact owner, lead status, and email engagement. Apply custom filters. To filter by specific criteria, click Add Filter. You can filter by various properties such as email, company, last activity date. You can also combine filters for more complex queries. Save your filter. If you use the same filter often, click Save Filter to reuse it in the future. View and manage filtered contacts. Once the filter is applied, HubSpot will display only the contacts that match your criteria.